If you're living in a small apartment, these 20 space-saving products are going to make a lot of sense. They're compact, practical, and built to help you organize more without taking up extra room. Simple upgrades, real difference. We're talking about smart finds like a 4-in-1 lift-top coffee table with hidden storage and a 360-degree rotating pantry organizer that keeps everything easy to grab. Plus, a bunch of other clever upgrades just like that. All the product links are in the description below. Alright, let's jump into the first one, this wall-mounted folding chair, because tiny homes need smart seating. This sleek fold-down design mounts securely to the wall and flips open when needed, then folds flat to save serious space. Perfect for entryways, shoe changing, or quick extra seating. This sturdy frame supports solid weight without wobbling. Durable hardware ensures long-term stability and safe daily use. Clean, minimalist look keeps walls uncluttered. Around $50 makes this feel modern, practical, and low-key genius. Up next comes this desk converter, and wow, this one is a productivity glow-up. This 32-inch surface lifts smoothly from sitting to standing, helping posture and energy levels instantly. Gas spring adjustment makes height changes effortless, no struggle involved. Spacious top fits dual monitors or laptop plus accessories comfortably. Lower keyboard tray keeps wrists aligned and workspace organized. Stable base prevents shaking during typing sessions. Built sturdy for daily use. At $130, this feels like serious boss energy for compact apartments. Right after that, this foldable storage ottoman brings double duty magic. Yeah, tiny home approved. This 43-inch bench works as footrest, end of bed seating, or living room accent while hiding massive storage inside. Lift top lid reveals space for blankets, clothes, or random clutter. This sturdy frame supports up to 660 pounds without bending or wobbling. Soft cushioned top adds comfort without bulk. Foldable design allows compact storage when unused. At $40, this feels crazy versatile. Meanwhile, this power tool organizer turns garage chaos into clean efficiency. This heavy-duty metal frame mounts to wall, instantly freeing floor space. 8 drill slots keep tools upright and ready, while 4 layered shelves store chargers, batteries, and hardware. Strong steel build handles weight without bending. Compact design maximizes vertical storage, perfect for tight workshops or apartments with tool corners. Around $38 makes this feel pro-level without breaking budget. Honestly, clutter doesn't stand a chance. And let's keep rolling with this hanging closet organizer because cramped closets need backup. This 6-shelf vertical system hangs securely from closet rod, creating instant stacked storage. Perfect for sweaters, jeans, handbags, or folded tees. Breathable fabric keeps airflow steady, while reinforced shelves prevent sagging under weight. Lightweight yet sturdy construction makes installation quick and drama-free. Neutral design blends easily with different closet styles. At $20, this feels like a closet expansion without renovation. Sliding into living room convenience, this sofa armrest tray feels low-key brilliant. This clip-on design grips armrests securely without tools, creating instant mini table. Perfect for coffee, snacks, remote, or tablet. Built-in 360-degree rotating phone holder keeps screen perfectly angled while streaming or scrolling. Wooden surface feels sturdy and smooth, adding classy touch. Compact size suits apartments beautifully. At $21, this feels practical and kinda genius. Seriously, couch life just upgraded big time. Now this one's clever. This hanging pants organizer saves insane closet space. This rotatable multi-bar design lets each hanger swing out individually for easy access. Perfect for jeans, trousers, scarves, or even towels. Vertical layout multiplies hanging capacity without crowding rod space. Durable metal construction prevents bending under heavier fabrics. Slim profile keeps closet looking neat and streamlined. 3-pack setup means instant upgrade across wardrobe sections. At $10, this feels ridiculously affordable. Gliding into serious storage mode, this 4-tier stackable bin system is tiny home gold. This modular design stacks vertically while front opening doors allow easy access without unstacking. Transparent panels keep contents visible, so no guessing games. Durable plastic build handles pantry goods, clothes, toys, or cleaning supplies effortlessly. Foldable structure makes relocation simple when needed. Secure side latches keep tiers stable during movement. Around $30 makes this feel budget-friendly and super functional. Switching gears, this rolling side table brings flexibility on wheels, literally. This C-shaped frame slides neatly under couch or bed, maximizing tight spaces. Adjustable desktop tilts for laptop work, snacks, or late-night scrolling sessions. Solid wood top feels premium while 4 wheels glide smoothly across floors. Lockable casters keep position stable when stationary. Height-adjustable design adapts to different seating levels easily. Around $150 places this in investment territory, delivering daily functional convenience. Continuing with this space-saving hanger hook set, it maximizes closet capacity instantly. These durable connector hooks attach to existing hangers, allowing vertical cascading storage without adding extra rods. Perfect for shirts, blazers, kids' clothes, or seasonal outfits. Strong ABS plastic supports daily weight without snapping. Compact design keeps closet airflow steady while reducing visual clutter. 60 pieces deliver full transformation in one round. At $10, this feels ridiculously efficient. And hey, all these goodies are lined up in the description below. Grab your favorites and start transforming your home today. Now, easing into narrow space brilliance, this 4-tier slim rolling cart fits where nothing else can. This ultra slim frame slides between fridge and wall, beside washer, or inside tight pantry gaps. 4 deep tiers hold spices, toiletries, cleaning supplies, or office essentials neatly. Smooth rolling wheels allow easy movement even when fully loaded. Lightweight yet sturdy plastic resists moisture and daily wear. Around $20 makes this a budget-friendly space hack. Tiny corners finally working overtime. Let's pivot back to kitchen organization with this rotating grain dispenser because messy bags just aren't it. This 6-grid sealed system stores rice, lentils, cereal, or dry snacks separately while locking out moisture. Smooth 360-degree rotation allows quick selection without lifting containers. One-click dispensing releases controlled portions cleanly. Transparent walls keep levels visible at all times. Food-grade construction ensures durability and safety. Estimated around $30, this feels clean, modern, and wildly practical. Shifting upward to wall efficiency, this 17-inch magnetic knife bar frees countertop space instantly. This powerful magnetic strip holds knives, scissors, or metal tools securely in clear view. Wall-mounted design improves safety by preventing drawer clutter and blade damage. Strong internal magnets distribute weight evenly without slipping. Sleek stainless finish adds modern touch to compact kitchens. Installation hardware keeps setup straightforward. At $26, this feels professional and streamlined. Moving deeper into cabinet control, this plate organizer transforms stacked chaos into vertical order. This stainless steel rack holds plates and bowls upright, preventing chips while improving accessibility. 2 compact pieces fit small cabinets without blocking visibility. Rust-resistant coating handles kitchen humidity confidently. Non-slip base stabilizes structure during daily use. Lightweight yet durable build ensures long-term reliability. At $28, this feels practical and protective. Now sliding into hidden storage upgrades, this pull-out 2-tier organizer maximizes undersink real estate. This smooth glide track system allows full extension, eliminating blind digging in dark corners. 2 spacious levels hold cleaning bottles, sponges, or pantry goods vertically. Clear, durable plastic resists moisture and is easy to wipe clean. Compact frame fits tight cabinet widths effortlessly. Installation stays simple without complex tools. Around $18 makes this an affordable efficiency boost. Keeping kitchen efficiency strong, this rice dispenser delivers airtight freshness and precision. This sealed container blocks moisture, dust, and pests while preserving grains longer. Built-in measuring cup locks securely into place for controlled pouring without spills. Large capacity interior reduces constant refilling, ideal for daily cooking. Transparent body keeps quantity visible at a glance. Compact footprint fits neatly on countertops or shelves. Around $19 makes this clean storage solution super accessible. Now stepping into vertical brilliance, this 360-degree rotating 6-tier bookshelf maximizes floor space dramatically. This cylindrical design spins smoothly, allowing access to books, decor, or essentials from every angle. Slim footprint fits corners perfectly while storing impressive volume. Built-in wheels make repositioning effortless in studio apartments or dorm rooms. Sturdy engineered wood construction ensures durability and stability during rotation. Open shelf layout improves visibility and quick organization. Around $170 places this as a statement piece investment. Drifting back to countertop efficiency, this two-tier dish drying rack doubles drying capacity instantly. This vertical stainless steel structure separates plates, bowls, and cups efficiently. Bottom drain board channels excess water neatly into sink, preventing puddles. Dedicated utensil holder keeps cutlery upright for hygienic drying. Rust-resistant finish handles daily moisture confidently without discoloration. Non-slip feet keep structure stable during loading. Compact yet spacious build suits small kitchens perfectly. At $23, this feels affordable and practical. Now elevating bedroom organization, this jewelry mirror cabinet blends storage with elegance. This wall-mounted design saves floor space while doubling as full-length mirror. Interior compartments organize necklaces, earrings, rings, and cosmetics neatly. Lockable feature protects valuables securely. Soft interior lining prevents scratches and tangling. Slim profile suits apartments without overwhelming walls. Around $70 makes this both stylish and functional. Low-key luxury with serious storage payoff. Finally bringing order to cleaning zones, this mop and broom holder clears floor clutter instantly. This wall-mounted strip includes 5 grip slots and 6 hooks for mops, brooms, dusters, and tools. Spring-loaded clamps adjust automatically to handle thickness securely. Compact design supports up to 7.5 pounds per slot without slipping. Durable ABS construction resists moisture and daily wear. Easy installation requires minimal hardware and time. Around $11 makes this incredibly affordable. And that wraps up some of the smartest tiny home and kitchen organization finds you can grab on Amazon right now. From space-saving furniture to vertical storage hacks and compact game-changing upgrades, these picks prove that small spaces can still feel open, organized, and seriously functional. If something stood out to you, all the links are waiting in the description below. Don't forget to like, share with a fellow small space enthusiast, subscribe for more clever finds, and I'll see you in the next one.